Just now, recorded, is the strongest positive indication. The richest firm on Earth, BlackRock, is boosting XRP Ripple's price to hitherto unheard-of heights. Though it sounds absurd, it is indeed happening. According to leaked sources, they intend to purchase XRP coins valued $9.7 billion. According to experts, this might drive XRP's price this month to $10,000. Do not miss this video. Let's get right in without much delay. Note, disclaimer. Once more heating the crypto scene, XRP is the focus of all attention, with important voices on CryptoX implying that something significant is on the horizon. Conjecture regarding a possible BlackRock XRP ETF has set off a wave of positive attitude. Credible analysts and industry insiders now repeat what first started as rumors. And depending on how it turns out, XRP might suffer greatly. Well-known ETF analyst Nate Gureshi sparked the discussion when he said BlackRock fully expects BlackRock to apply for spot Solana and XRP ETFs, noting it would make zero sense to cede other popular crypto asset ETF categories to rivals. BlackRock already leads the way with its Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, so adding XRP seems less like a question of if and more like when. Not long after Guresi's remarks, the buzz got intense. BlackRock XRP ETF is coming, Amonix said. Although no official file has yet shown up, the market's attitude has changed. It's not only about pointless hype these days, it's about being ready for a potentially revolutionary XRP action. Social media reflects loud and unambiguous sentiment. Cobb wrote, "I swear to God, with all this relentless XRP optimistic news, by the June BlackRock ETF should be filed at this rate." The Wall Street Bull said, "Should BlackRock enter the game with an XRP ETF, the market won't be prepared for what is to come. Not even close." BlackRock agrees on $9.7 trillion influx XRP, according daring claims made by crypto enthusiasts. Whether that figure is figurative or not, it captures the degree of faith some investors have in the sheer scope of what is developing. What then precisely is an ETF, and why does XRP find such great relevance? Simply said, an ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a collection of assets available for purchase on the stock market. Consider it as sort of a fruit basket. You purchase a portion of the complete basket, rather than one apple, banana, or grape. Similarly, a crypto ETF operates. It lets investors purchase XRP and other digital assets without navigating an exchange or using a crypto wallet. And when a giant like BlackRock, which oversees around $10 trillion, offers that basket, everyone from Wall Street traders to pension fund managers can use it. With a spot XRP ETF launched, institutional investors would be able to expose to XRP via controlled financial channels. It would generate constant demand and provide enormous liquidity into the market. BlackRock's iShares already show what has happened with Bitcoin. Attracted billions in capital, Bitcoin Trust helped drive the metal to unprecedented heights. And following in May 2024, the Ethereum ETFs were greeted by the market with wide arms. Right now, XRP is the next sensible contender. XRP appeals primarily because of the legal clarity it acquired in 2023. Judge Annalisa Torres decided that offered on secondary markets such as crypto exchanges, XRP is not a security. That legal distinction is absolutely important since it removes a main obstacle to institutional acceptance. XRP has an advantage as, although the case between Ripple and the SEC isn't entirely closed, XRP has more legislative certainty than most other altcoins. BlackRock is also rumored to be developing a wider crypto index ETF, which would combine several leading digital assets, perhaps including XRP, into one product. Such kind of exposure would drive XRP farther into institutional portfolios and help it to be more included into conventional finance. Should a BlackRock XRP ETF come to pass, XRP's price might see dramatic change. ETFs offer more than only buzz. They generate constant, significant purchasing force. Institutions purchase and sell, not just on tweets. They commit major capital over extended times. This could indicate XRP's long-term upward trend, well above the fluctuations in short-term trade. Should BlackRock decide to move, it will not only affect XRP. It might change the whole perspective on crypto investing globally. And like the Wall Street Bull said, the market won't be ready for what is to arrive. Crazy, right? It gets even more wild since crypto analysts are projecting XRP growth that you are most surely unprepared for. We are discussing institutional money, trillions of capital flowing, and shockingly low price projections. What's ahead might transform everything. XRP is currently trading around $2, but crypto speakers with millions of followers claim it is the largest opportunity available in the whole digital asset scene. Barry C., a well-known XRP expert, says anything less than $3 is a steal. Before the price soars, he exhorts his supporters to get all they can. Buy XRP before it explodes to $1,000, as said here. One cannot get such level of confidence by wishful thinking. Years of tracking market activity, token utility, and the macro move toward tokenized finance form the foundation. Barry C. projects that during the next cryptocurrency season, XRP will shortly reach $10, then break through to $20, a move that would indicate a 700% increase from where we are now. Yes, after that surge, he expects a 50% pullback, maybe lowering XRP to between $5 and $10. Still, even that would still be 2x to 4x above current prices. And the actual shock comes next for long-term believers. In 10 years, he predicts XRP hitting $1,000. That would call for a market cap of maybe $58 trillion. Unbelievably high, but one that ranks XRP in line with the worldwide payment systems it intended to replace. Though it sounds ridiculous, XRP's architecture places it front and first as the whole financial system gradually moves toward tokenization and more institutions resort to blockchain for speed and settlement efficiency. Further advocating, Congress starts XRP buy-in at $10,000. Crypto Geek goes one step above. Many people discount a tweet as parody, but considering the behind-the-scenes actions governments and banking behemoths have shown, others take extremely seriously. The XRP Avengers reflect this brazen attitude tweeting. When I claim XRP will touch $10,000, I'm not being hyperbolic. I am acting sensibly. You simply do not see what I now see. And it's not only outrageous price target analysts. The XRP community is seeing fast-changing sentiment. Steph tweets, "Congiar congrats, XRP holders. You are going to get rich." And mnemonics adds to the story with a sentence that touches early adopters